Where did I put it? Uh, Today finally 2 months challenge finished. Look at this shit. As you guys said, I made it as worst as I can. It couldn't get worse than this. See? No trash, no cleanup, no shower, nothing. Okay. After today, finish tomorrow. I'm gonna give my 3 names challenge. They better do it like me.